what I have to say about the flood is that this flood that we are seeing here now is a very big problem. Oh. Look at me, a married man, a nursing father in that matter. I live in the flood with my children, my wife. Our business is inside the flood. My wife, look your back there. That is my wife inside. Inside the flood. Our house, the flood is beating us home and away. 40 home, 30 away. When I mean home and away, I mean our house where we stay is the home. The flood is beating us 40 because it's around the waist. But when you look at the shop where we do business, the flood is beating us 30 because it's below the knee. It's below the knee. And we poo inside the flood. We bath inside the flood. Everything we do inside the flood. We still use the flood water to flush our poo. And you know, when you walk in the flood, there is some reaction and you need a massage. My wife massaged me in the flood. I massage my wife in the flood. Everything in the flood.